So conditional formatting, you would have probably used the highlight cells rule, top bottom rule, data bars, color scale. These are very simple. I am not going to cover these things in our class. Here we are going to cover how we can write a formula to do the conditional formatting. Right. So I have, and by the way, like you can write a formula, automatically to color these cells. So let's say we have this as a city, A, B, C, D, E, F, and population of the cities. I want to color all those cities where the population is greater than or equal to 10 and less than 15. Let's say lakhs. So these are in lakhs. So greater than equal to 10 and less than 15. I want to put color red. So what you can do is you can go to conditional formatting and highlight cell rules. You can say between, and you can say that between you can put, or let's say we highlight cells rules. Let's say more rules. Okay, cell value greater than or equal to, okay, sorry, between, let's say we are saying 10 and 15. So you can put this and whatever the color you want to put. However, I am not interested in doing, I'll tell you what I am not interested in doing. Okay, so let's say we are putting orange. It will fill this. What I'm interested in filling the city, not the population. So when you select this cell and put the conditional formatting, it will work. When you select this cell and you are putting the automatic conditional formatting, it will not work. Okay. Format cell only with cells greater than or equal to, let's say, you say in between, let's say suppose you are saying 10 and 15, right? Let's say 10 and 15, and say we are saying, let's say something. Okay, so see, it has not happened because these are not numeric values. It will work, this automatic will work only if the condition is on the cell which you are highlighting. Okay, but we will learn how we can, and by the way, you can clear all the rules by going to conditional formatting, clear rule, clear from the entire sheet. So it will go. What we will do is we'll write a formula, okay, using and, using or, and fill that. So here this is the condition. The population is greater than equal to 10 and less than 15. Just that time we discussed. You want to know whether the batsman has scored greater than 50 and less than 100. So what is the condition we have to put? We have to put inside and see how we can put the formula here. So what we will do is we will select these cities. We'll go to conditional formatting. We'll create a new rule. In the new rule, we are not going to worry about these are the standards. Okay, standard we are not going to worry. We have to create our own. So we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. So I'll click here. Now you see that you have to write a formula. So let's say I'll start with basic. I want to format any city greater than 20 population as, let's say, green. Okay. So I will say this greater than 20, or let's say greater than equal to 20, and I am putting green. Okay. Now you see what I am doing. I am saying that in all these rows, okay, you will test a condition. What is the condition you are testing? $C $3 is greater than 20. So then you will color green. What is the $C $3? 25. Is it greater than 20? No. So it will not fill the color here. But for B also it will compare this because you have given $C $3. Right? For C also it will compare this. Okay, let's see. We do this error and we'll understand. And we press OK. And see, none of the cities have got colored. What was our idea? That these two guys should have got green color. But the way we are entering the formula in this conditional formatting is creating the problem. So we have to change that. So we go to conditional formatting. We click on manage rules. In manage rules, we go and we click on edit rule. The issue is this. See this. we go to manage rule and see what happens. The formula is C3, $C, $3, which is a fixed thing. It is applying to all this thing, all these cells. So all these cells, it is comparing only these values, only this value. Okay, you can see this magic. If I do this 25, you can see all of them have become green, but that was not the expectation. The expectation is that city A population will be matched to this, B will be matched to this. Okay, so how we can change it? What we have to do? What is the mistake we have done? The mistake we have done is we have fixed this. We should allow, when we go to B, it should become C4. When we go to C, it should become C5. That is the Excel will automatically do. So what we can do is, either we can do $C3, that will also work, or we can do C3, that will also work. So let's try it with $C3 and see, and press OK. See, this C and D has come, because $C3 remains at the same column, but it will become 4, 5, 6 and so on. Or we can change it, manage rules, and we can make it C3 also. That will also work. It will not change it. Right? So please remember, when you are selecting, so I'll show you the thing how we are doing. We select the cities and go to conditional formatting, go to new rule. We don't select all of this, we go to the last one, and then they're saying that use a formula to determine which cells, and we are saying that this cell greater than equal to 20. But the moment I select this cell, it will always be full absolute. So we have to press F4 and make it relative. And then we say greater than equal to 20. And you can put the color. Okay. So it has come like this. Right? Let's say now we want to put, this is what we want to put. Let's say any city with greater than 10 population and less than 20 population, I want orange. Okay, and less than 10 population, I want red. Okay, so this is also pretty straightforward. You select the entire area, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. This we select and we say that less than 10. We say OK. So what will happen? It will check cell by cell, and wherever it is less than 10, it will highlight. Okay. So these two were this less than 10 and greater than equal to 20 were easy. Okay. The issue is this, and many of the students, they do wrong here, because what they do is they try to write a formula like this. They try to write a formula like this is greater than equal to 10 and less than 15. This is what we do. We write manually. Okay, or like that time we got one. So people will write like this: greater than equal to 10. Oh, sorry. Let's say this. Okay. So we have C3 less than 15, and here we'll put 10 greater than equal to. So this kind of condition will not work, because this is not the Excel way of doing. So since you want two condition, so you have to put equal to, and you put your first condition. What is the first condition? This should be greater than equal to 10. First condition is met, comma. Second condition, you say that this is less than 20. Close the bracket. So you have now two conditions. So what will be the output of this? When it work on this cell, is this condition match? No. There will be no change in the color. No. 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 Here, yes. C3 is greater than 10 and less than 20. So what will happen is this color will change. Here, no. Here, yes, the color will change. Here, yes, the color will change, and also here the color will change. So it will go one by one, check these two conditions and fill the color. We say format, let's say you want yellow. We say OK. And you can see that corresponding to this, the colors have changed. If I go to conditional formatting and manage rules, by the way, by default, it will give you for the current selection, whatever the cell you have. But you can select for whatever you want. This sheet, you want for other sheet also it will show. For this worksheet, if I want to see it has shown me. And this is how to read. This is applying to which all cell? 3 to B3 to B11. And this is the formula which is applying, and this is the color. And the formula you can see that it is applying to cell C3. It is not applying to this particular cell. Okay. So this way you can diagnose the conditional formatting. It will be very, very good learning, because it will help you to create good reports wherein you can change the color coding depending on the requirement rather than manually doing. So should practice this conditional formatting.